becomes the long stand goals which you want to achieve within a long period of time. Like if you want to become a great public speaker, so you need an endurance and endurance of maybe 4 to 5 years, or minimum it may take 2 to 3 years to become a TEDx speaker or a great public speaker. So for that you need a little bit of more time. Okay, so that can be a long-term goal. Or if you want to become an IAS, so that can be a long-term goal. Or if you want to own a Mercedes, that can be a long-term goal. And like that, you have a whole list of your long-term goals. But again, do remember that both of these goals, short-term and long-term, those are not just like that written. They are with clarity, purpose. Clarity in your purpose. They both are written with clarity in your purpose. What do you really want to accomplish? Okay, always remember the thing. And with this, last but not the least, one thing, if you may ask me, that Vardan, you have told me everything, that why to set goals, how to set goals, what to set. Now tell me when to set goals. Now if you ask this, then let me tell you. You are going to set your goals not from tomorrow, not from next day, not from Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday or Friday, nothing. From now itself. Throw your phones aside, throw everything aside, lock yourself in a room, be alone, sit alone with your all peace of mind, think of it and write down your goals. Okay? And remember that you write down your goals with full of integrity, honesty. Okay? So with this session, this first video of the goal setting series completes here, ends up here, and do not forget to click the link in the description box and take your workbook so that it becomes easier for you to set your goals, and you will be much more clear in setting your goals while going through the questions given in the workbook. Okay, so make sure you click on the link in the description box, use that workbook and make your task a little bit easier. Okay, and remember, do not procrastinate, do that. Okay, and also please, if you like the video, if it helped you, then press the like button, press the bell icon, press the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, do whatever you want with it, but the subscribe button should turn from red to gray. Fine? So do that. Do share this video with a lot of people, with your friends, family, close ones, relationship, enemies also, because if you want, because you know what? Why your enemies also? Because you're going to do something good only. Okay, so it doesn't matter, it may be your friends or enemies, because there is a say that when you serve this world selflessly, then this world will serve you and this nature will serve you endlessly. And here I'm not telling to serve something selflessly, but I'm only telling you to share this video so that it can help much more people, much more needy people. So do the good job, share this video, comment down below if you want anything to be discussed further, if you have any of the doubts, anything, any suggestion you want to give, okay, you want to appreciate me or my work or this video and the facts and the steps which I have shared with you in this video, then please do not feel shy to use the comment box. It is for your use. Okay, so do that and show me some love. That's all I can say. So till then, this is Vardan Sahu signing out until we meet again. Bye bye.